9:53 now. After nearly 2 months under a stay-at-home order, many homes are likely messier than they were to start with. It's not too late, though, to do some spring cleaning. This morning, we're getting some advice from Jamie Hitmar. He's the owner of Fish Window Cleaning in Durham. Good morning, Jamie.
Good morning.
Listen, I know this pandemic has changed the way we all do business, but you've got some ABCs for families to use to get cleaning and make it fun. Let's start with the first one. You say assign tasks.
Right. So we thought it'd be fun to come up with this ABC's of Spring Cleaning Challenge. The A is for assigning tasks. So you would assign a family member a task for the day. Something that could be completed in a short period of time or in a day. Maybe it's tackling one room.
Right. Right. And of course, it means that you don't have to do it all yourself. And the B part of this is be an example. What do you mean by that?
Right. So, you might have members of the family that might not know what the expectations are for you. And so parents should not hover over their children or bark out orders, but demonstrate what it is to what their expectations are and demonstrate their way of doing it so the expectations are set clear.
And I got to tell you, Jamie, the C is my favorite part. I wish my parents knew this when I was growing up. The C is celebrate when all the cleaning is done.
Right. So, not everybody's looking forward to, oh, yay, we get to do a lot of cleaning today. But if there is a reward at the end of that job where it's picking out a movie for a family movie night or a board game or going out for ice cream, going out to dinner, those types of rewards make it easier to get those tasks done.
Well, excellent. I will remember that, and I'm going to show these to my parents as well. Hey, Jamie, thanks for your time. Stay safe.
All right.
Thank you.